to talk about some of the transformational technology that's out there now, certainly in the world that I live in, that we're investing in now today, and things that are coming. Technology is very transformational. We talk about business transformation, but are we actually transforming anyone's lives? The tenants that you serve and that you look after, you're actually changing their lives with the investments you're making in technology. And indeed, the technology that we're developing at ROCC is that actually changing anyone's lives, and can it change lives? So some of the technologies that we're looking at ROCC, there are some really, really ambitious projects going on worldwide at the moment that are just really rethinking how people live on a day-to-day basis, and from the ground up building completely smart communities. So at ROCC, we're already building our first conversational interface, and we're actually using the Alexa framework from Amazon, because we're not going to reinvent the wheel ourselves here, but we're teaching it how to interact with the tenant, to allow the tenant to talk to Lex to report a problem and then feed back to them what's happening. It's just direct integration into your traditional back office works management system, but it's just so much simpler. So once again at ROCC, we've just kicked off a project actually to look at how we could use augmented reality to carry out void surveys. So you go around a property, essentially taking 360 video as you go, but what you're doing is the AI is capturing where you've got issues. There are actually housing associations that have been granted licenses to operate drones, and so that's really cool that there's people in our industry that are investing in this and doing things like roof surveys, for example. So you don't need to have scaffold anymore, just send a drone up and take some photos. I don't know if anyone's ever heard of Qbot, but I came across Qbot a couple of years ago at a housing event, and they basically developed this little robot that looks a bit like a remote control car that scurries along underneath floorboards in old properties, essentially spraying insulation as it goes, to try to improve those properties and tackle fuel poverty. And what's great is there's recently been an announcement of a partnership with Qbot and Your Homes Newcastle. So it's good to see people investing in that and actually seeing the benefits of this tech. So collaboration is the key for us all really. In this kind of world where every 5 years you spend a lot of money and buy a monolithic IT system, it's going to need to start changing. And you guys are going to need to start being a bit more iterative and investing regularly, but also collaborating more with people like us at ROCC and IT vendors, whoever it may be, to help us move these systems along and move forward with the IT solutions that you guys are going to need for the next 10, 20 years.